Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Dharam Sati YouTube channel. Today I have cleared all the tests and assignments. One grand assignment was pending of today and written previous day assignments and seen all the videos. Let me show you the things. I from 7 today. I have seen all the videos set operations problem solving and debugging part 6 from 8 today. Nested distance link formatting dictionaries and return coding data and MCQ practice set. On 9th, I have seen video on reviewing dictionaries. MCQ coding practice 31. Sorry for this information, here only coding practice 30 has been done. And in a grand assignment 3 has to be done. And today they taught about past impedance and score good marks in these assignments. Almost out of quarter, and I have improved my score in this database course examination. Last time it was C grade, now I increased it to B grade. On another attempt it will go up. And now I am in 9.5. I want to make it to 10. In the meantime, this will come to an end. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends. Most of you are seeing but not subscribing. Please let me know your valuable comments and what sort of videos you want. Give me in the comments so that I will make the things on that only. Thanks for watching and this is 76th day of next course. My course will end around January next year with placements before course completion will be done by December end. Thanks for watching this video till end. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.